Well, don't give it away now.
Go. Never gonna dance again.
Come on, bro. See what you got. Go on.
You hurt me.
Go. Just go.
Do it.
I'm not
Over
gonna
the
arm
top.
wrestle you.
I
like
don't
it's-
remember
I feel like
the
you're gonna
theme
beat me.
song, so
I'm not
I'm
good
just
at arm
gonna
wrestling.
keep
How can you
singing
not be-
over the top.
Jeez, look at that
Over
muscle.
the top.
Ah!
Come on, guys. We only have 20 more seconds of this segment.
I'm holding.
Come on.
I'm holding.
Just do it.
We're both holding.
Oh my gosh, just do it. Do
Wait, my
it,
hand's coming off the
do
table.
it, Do it. Oh.
No, I'm
Okay.
set off the table.
Now I'm all sweaty.
Our show's gonna feel just like that arm wrestle.
I won.
You did win. You pushed
Did you
my-
really?
Yeah, he slid my arm off the table.
That's
so
not
I
a.
lost.
No, man.
That's disqualification.
We would
Yeah.
have to. You would have to sit over there. Did you guys see the story out of? It was Australia, I think, and there was a python that lived in this lady's house. It lived in their house for 15 years. She had only seen it once before, and they knew it was in the wall, but they didn't know how big it was or anything like that. One time she was taking a shower and it like poked its head out, and that was 15 years ago. And so then she had a friend over a couple nights ago. This is a real story. Her friend wakes up in the middle of the night and the 15-foot long like anaconda snake was just stretched out from one room into her bedroom. And it had lived in the walls of that house for 15 years.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and so then animal control came and got it. There's a video and there's pictures. Would you eat a snake?
Nope.
Would you let a snake eat you?
No.
No.